Hey, so I'm out here fishing one of my creeks. It's just now starting to turn spring and warming up, but it seems like another cold front's come through. So I thought I should better hop out here before I can and before these fish shut down. But it's been really warm out here recently, so I thought I was gonna try this some Japanese style baits. I think they call them like JDM. But they're just real little crawls, like Gary Yamamoto, one of my favorites to throw out here. They're about that big, but they look like a little crazy and really realistic. So I hope that they come out here and catch me some big ones out here today. Oh, it's not a fish. Oh, first bite of the day. I didn't even feel him. All right. Okay. Ooh. Ah. Just a little red eye, but a pretty red eye. Let's see if I can. Come on. All right. Look at that fish. I hope this comes out, but I don't know if y'all can see that red eye. But I usually see these a lot, the red eye in spring, because they don't get their name from red eye just because they have a red eye. Oh, got a good one. Woo! He is gorgeous. I just plucked him out of. Oh, I hope I got that on camera. Oh my goodness. He is beautiful. Look at that blue. And that big red eye. That is just absolutely beautiful. I love spring red eyes. Here, I'm gonna get a picture and let him back in the water. There's one right there. Oh, that's a solid fish right there. Do not, please do not come off. I did not get a good hook set in him. Yes, got him. Woo. That is a great bass. Look at how healthy he is. Oh, that hook's in there. Come on. All right, I'm gonna have to get the pliers out for this guy, but I'll get a picture of him and let him go. All right, got a picture of this guy. Ooh, hopefully we can get on some more of those. Oh, here's another golden. Oh, he just jumped out of freaking water. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a good red eye. I hope that just got on film. I hope y'all saw that. This fish just jumped out of the water. Look at this red eye. All right. Thanks for the bite, buddy. So, I just walked up on an absolute giant of a buck. Look at that thing right there. I might take that home with me. That is just a great one. Man. I'm gonna look around to see if I find a broadhead or something, but I don't see any other bones. But I'll give a look around, but he probably got shot and died. Oh, is that a fish? Oh, that's fish. I thought it was snake. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Uh-oh. Hope you all can see that. I thought it was a bite. I set the hook right in him. Let's see. Okay. came right out. There's no blood coming out, so maybe he's good. Maybe I missed his gills. Alright. I just hooked another one in the bottom. I don't know how this keeps happening, but they're just hitting it so weird in this little spot. And he threw my plastic, but I never saw a red eye. Oh, here's a good one right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That fight right there. Oh. Dude. Oh my god. What? Oh, I wish. Ah. Dude, that is just a freaking monster. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's easily a 2-pounder out of here. I would say even 3. Man, I wish I brought my scale. And I just threw that in first cast right here of this hole. Man, let me get a picture of them and I'll put them back in.
Okay.
Hold on, hold on. Okay. My grandmother just called me and a good one just came up and oh, okay, okay. Just chill, dude. Just chill. Okay. Okay. Oh, stop. Come on, just a little bit closer. I don't want to break the line. Oh, I need a net. Got him. Shoot. Oh my gosh. That is just, oh, I had him barely hooked too. That is a stud. Oh, that is a great freaking fish out of here. All right, let me get his picture and I'll put him back in. I really don't want to let him go, but I just got a picture. But look at that fish. It is just beautiful. Man. So today was pretty good fishing. I mean, I didn't catch a whole lot of fish today. Not as lot as I thought it would, but I caught some really good fish today. And I caught them all on this Japanese bait called Noiki, or yeah, I think that's how you say it, Noiki. But I got the green pumpkin, or they call it blue shrimp, but it's really green pumpkin, and a dark red colors out of here. And I just knew like these little smaller crawls would just come out here and just demolish these creeks. But that actually held up really good, because I usually use Gary Yamamoto like fat baby crawls, and those just do not last. They can almost last one fish a catch, and I just needed to try something different. So I was looking for these, and maybe these will work out pretty good with me. And I also found this awesome, this awesome deer skull today. It's just 8-point, and I want to keep it with all the stuff I usually find out in this little area. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So catching a bunch of fish and finding cool deer antlers is always a great day. And walking my dog. So if you like this video, thank you, and I'm gonna try to get out something again soon.